We're gonna meet Titus over here with
Yeah.
Luft Q.
Luft Q.
Yes.
My friend, Andrew Ross of Grid Daily.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Good. Thank
Yeah.
you so much for having us today.
Yes.
Let's talk about the Luft Q.
Yeah, I would
What
love
is
to.
it?
Okay, this is the smallest filterless device, air purifier. So everybody get the allergy so far. So we are the solution for allergy sufferers.
We're breathing just fine right now.
Yeah, so
Can you
what-
help us with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why do I?
But if it goes to the spring, the pollen comes, so everybody will suffer. And nowadays, yeah, something like that. Exactly. So you go to see a doctor, then it's you painful and you spend a lot of money. So the device we want to do is the smallest one, so you can put beside your working space in the car, and also beside you when you're sleeping in the put on the sleeping cabinet.
So it's on the go.
On the
I
go.
don't have to have it plugged in at any time. I got a lot of air purifiers in my apartment.
Yeah, that's right.
Not that small.
Exactly. So you put a purifier far away from you, so it's disconnect with you because you are here. You should have device something too close to you, please. Otherwise, you are trying to purify the whole room. It doesn't make sense.
So you're gonna connect the air purifier to Drew. Is that what's gonna happen next?
Actually, we want to connect the purifier to the person, individual person.
What does that mean?
Yeah.
It means we, when you're sitting here, we put it beside you during your work in the office. And also in the car, and when you're sleeping, put it in the.
So you're not plugging it into me.
No.
All right,
put it
I'm
into the
clean.
USB.
Yeah, I'm clean.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, but for the environment, is maybe not.
And it's filterless, is that what you said?
Yeah,
So we don't have to change anything out.
yeah, you don't need to change anything, but we designed this. You can only wash out. But the cool thing we did is there is a module inside which can kill the virus and bacteria, and also can decompose the air. Organic vapor become carbon dioxide and hydrogen.
So pull that out again. What am I going to see in this
Yeah.
at any time?
Okay, when you
Hold that
use it-
still.
Okay, when you
What are we looking at?
yeah, okay, when you do it for a couple of weeks, it will get dirty, of course, because there are some cotton fibers outside the air.
So the fact that it's clean right now means this air is clean.
Actually, you can see here, this is our product. So they are running, so you see the light inside. And
Show
this
us how filthy it is in here.
Yeah, here. So the air
Open it
comes
up.
in and goes out. Yeah. So there is a light inside.
Okay.
We need a very special light to trigger the photocatalyst.
It also looks clean though. So is
Yeah.
the air clean in here?
Sure. Don't you feel better?
I'm breathing.
Yeah.
Now what's this device behind you with the bubbles that's catching everyone's eye? What is behind this name? Tell us about it.
Okay. Luft is a means. The German means air. So I'm come from a German company before, so I like the design of German. So I like this name. So I take it from the air in German. So Luft is something we do anyway. We do an air purifier. So we take this name.
Now,
It's the Luft.
now, what is the actual German word for the word air?
It's Luft.
It is Luft.
Yeah.
It is
Yeah,
Luft itself.
like I got a pair of Luft Jordans.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah. He knows.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I know.
Jordans are always clean.
Yeah, right.
Exactly.
But,
like the air we
but it's
breathe.
clean outdoor. It's not necessary clean indoor.
Okay.
Yeah, this is something.
Now
we
you know.
found.
So we can find this on Indiegogo. You have a running campaign.
Yes, we are running campaign.
What does it
in
retail for? How much does
okay.
it cost?
Right now, MSRP is 109 US.
And how long
Okay,
does
but
it
what
take-
kind of price are you gonna give us, on the side?
Okay, if you come to me, then I give you a special discount.
Special discount. I like it. How long does it take to charge? It charges, correct? Or no?
Actually, nowadays we need to go with wire all the time. But you can power by power bank or whatever put in on your notebook.
Okay.
It's
so USB, it does have to have a power supply.
Right.
All right, that's all the time that we have for the allergy sufferers. Luft Cube.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, thank you for being here.
Best of luck.
Okay,